Hello and welcome to Austin Cyber Shop. Today I will be taking you on a tour of this InCharge Home Plus wall mount. This wall mount comes equipped with 4 interchangeable wall adapters that will help you in any country you're in. In addition, the wall mount itself comes with 2 USB ports so you can easily charge your devices. In addition to all of that, this product also comes with a USB to 30-pin connector cable so you can charge your iDevices easily. To install a wall adapter, all you need to do is line up the grooves with the grooves in the wall mount and slide it in until you hear the click. To check out more of our listings, please visit eBay under our username CyberInfinity or facebook.com/AustinCyberShop. We will also post links at the bottom of the page to help you lay in your internet course as easily as possible. Thank you for joining us today.